Ladies and gents, we're looking really good. Look at that hair. I'll tell you what. Good morning, everybody. Currently 9:21 a.m. Running about 11 minutes behind schedule. That is typical. I'm definitely trying to get a little bit better at on time, but sometimes, especially with what we're doing, we got some good surprises in the books. We are heading out to Breckenridge Mountain. Opening week. We're gonna do ourselves some snowboarding, fat tire biking. Sky's the limit. Come along for the ride. Welcome to Breckenridge. Right next to the ski slopes, we have ourselves the Zamboni up on yonder there. And then we got the koozies. We got the nice, beautiful, beautiful koozies. We got a little waterfall. That's not a koozie. Koozies, koozies, more koozies. There is a pool, indoor pool. This place is pretty, pretty nice, my friends. Not quite the top of Breck. Opening week. A lot more snow than we anticipated. Slappy and I running the streets. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah, bud. Nice through the trees. Fat tire, baby. Breck, Colorado. This is Peak 7 right here. Gondola running right through it. Take a look at that. Yeah, buddy. Oh, wow. Check that out, huh? Little view out that way. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Take a look at this. Look at this. You got this enchanted forest, and then you come out of the enchanted forest, and oh yeah, Narnia. Old Breckenridge. Doing a little fat tiring right here. I'll tell you what, up here on the creek, doing some fat tire biking. A little tricky in this kind of snow, but I'll tell you what, look at that. Breckenridge over there. Frisco over yonder there. Hills full gold. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, careful now. That is beautiful. Oh, hello again.
You bet.
Oh.
Enjoy this exercise.
Oh man, I'll tell you what. This is a nice one, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a Monday, baby. We live in the dream. All right, here we go. Yeah, buddy. Oh. There we go, right there. There we go. tight turn in Albuquerque. Yeah. See, you get tail whips without even trying tail whips. Well, yeah, this is more matted down than the other side over there. Yeah. Oh, that's nice right there. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Nice. Good save. Oh, that was a fun little section. Oh, oh, here we go, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh. Watch those turns. Nice. Oh, mine. That's pretty cool. These beautiful trees, and then Breckenridge is right behind us there. Fat tiring today. Check out the old mine right there, 1887. These are primo conditions. Day 2 of fat tire biking. We parked up at the Wellington Bike Park. No parking from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. but free parking after that. And what's nice is the hikers, this is kind of a well-footed trail out here just in Breckenridge with a view of Breckenridge, but tromped down more than day 1. We were up on Summit 8, taking the trails right behind Summit 7 building, which is like a hotel timeshare. And this is really nice as long as you don't go off the beaten path. And definitely a workout as you're going up to the Blue Trail for downhill. But remember, you're gonna take your downhill slower because you can slide out a lot easier. So take your time and grip and rip, but absolutely stunning. Also, for this trail, you're at about 95, 96, no, I take that back, 98, 9,900 feet. So altitude will get you. Drink lots of water and take it at your own pace. After you grind up, you reach this trail marker, and I believe we're going Turks down that way. I mean, look at this. Look at how stunning this is. Did not expect this. Currently filming this November 15th, 2022. I thought it was gonna be dead dry with a little snow on the lifts, but there is a lot of snow here and absolutely stunning. As we can see, here we go. Slap it, dab it, make it, push it, push it. And if you are wondering, we've only seen 4 people out here since we started. Watch your turns. As long as you stay on the path, you're good. But once you get that front tire in the snow, you'll drift and tank. So careful. Nice little jump here. There we go. Oh, oh. Just like that there. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Watch your turns though. Nice. Oh yeah. Got some bridges. Old Betty's Trail. Here you go. Now going this way off the switchback, a little bit less sketch because you could bail to your left instead of falling down to your right. Oh, that's rocks up. Tight right hip. Oh yeah.
Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.